Dear students, welcome once again. In this video, we'll briefly discuss the contents of Course 4, Semester 1 Master's Program in English. Course 4, as you all know, is an elective course and it has two options to choose from. Option 1 is titled English Phonetics and Phonology and option 2 is titled William Shakespeare from Stage to Screen. In option 1, titled English Phonetics and Phonology, you'll read about a number of concepts related with human speech mechanism in general and with the production of sounds of English language in particular. In this paper, we'll read in detail about how the sounds of English, which are technically called the phonemes, are articulated, how they are divided into different categories on the basis of their production, and they are called vowels, pure vowels or monophthongs, diphthongs, triphthongs, how they are pronounced, and how do we understand several other concepts such as syllable division, syllable identification, then intonation, assimilation, stress in individual words and in connected speech, etc. This particular paper is going to tell you in length about the production and articulation of all sounds of English language. In option 2 of the selective course, we'll read about William Shakespeare as a dramatist in particular. Though William Shakespeare is also very popular as a poet for his sonnets, but the focus in this particular course will be on reading William Shakespeare as a dramatist. We have been prescribed 4 plays written by William Shakespeare, the first of which is one of his 4 greatest tragedies, Hamlet. The second one is a comedy, A Midsummer Night's Dream. The third one is a historical play, Henry IV. And the fourth one is one of his last plays titled The Tempest. In addition to reading these 4 plays as a written text, we'll also discuss 2 films based upon 2 of these plays, Hamlet and The Tempest. William Shakespeare, as you all know, has been one of the greatest writers of all times, and several of his plays have been played on the stages during the times when there was no technology, to record those performances. And then with the advancement of technology, they have been adapted as films on more than one occasions. In this particular paper, we'll talk about the 2 films that have been based on 2 of these plays, as I said earlier, and we'll see how the technological intervention has made William Shakespeare even more popular than perhaps he was at his own times, as these films have now reached all nooks and corners of the world, about how and what makes his plays very relevant even in this age, and how technology has intervened and how technology has intervened to make the performances more powerful, more subtle. So we'll read William Shakespeare as a dramatist. We'll see what his dramatic art is, popular for, and we'll understand what makes William Shakespeare one of the greatest ever. Thank you.